Hi guys, welcome to my Thursday session, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And I'm with Aki.
Hello po.
Ulit to. Mamis. Yan. And Aliana NMM.
Hi po.
Yan, sila po yung ating mga students. Actually, may mga iba pa, pero matraffic po dito sa amin. Kaya, for sure, maghahabol yung iba later. Okay, let's have To Love You More, Sarah G. Ready ka na ba sa, ito yung kanta namin ngayon. Nagpalit si Aki. Ba't ka pala nagpalit ng song agad? Parang hindi ko pa na-polish yung Lipad na Pangarap.
Oo, yung Lipad na Pangarap.
Okay, bet. Lyrics ba ako ng To Love You More? Say, papalit mo? Lyrics?
Pwede bang pagpalit-palitin mo na?
Sige po.
Oo, kung alin
okay.
Karaoke na lang.
Karaoke. Can you search it? Karaoke? Ayan. Alright. So, let's have the Sarah G version. Ayan.
Tested ba ang protection mo sa germs?
Please subscribe, like, and share Mary's Voice
Clinic
YouTube channel and my reel. Thank you very much.